What if I told you that one number could save you tens of thousands of dollars over your lifetime without requiring you to earn a higher salary or make a risky investment? That number is your credit score. An 800-plus credit score is often considered the gold standard of personal. Yet most people assume that reaching an 800 score takes decades. The reality, many Americans can dramatically improve months if they understand exactly how the system works. The problem is that most people focus on instead of the factors that actually matter. Today, we're going to walk through the exact strategy that can put you on the path toward an elite credit score in 1 year. To understand how to build excellent credit, you first need to understand what the FICO scoring model is measuring. Your credit score is essentially a risk assessment tool used by lenders. It helps banks to repay borrowed money. The biggest factor is payment history. Lenders care deeply about whether you pay your bills on time because past behavior is one of the strongest predictors of future behavior. Another major factor, utilization, which measures how much of your available credit you're using. The length of your credit history also matters, along with the types of credit accounts you have and any recent applications. Once you understand these factors, score becomes far less mysterious. The first step in this strategy is making sure every payment is every single month. One late payment can damage your credit profile, and that's why successful credit builders remove emotion and memory from the process. They automate payments whenever possible.
Even setting up automatic can prevent costly mistakes. Think of your payment history as your financial reputation. Every on-time payment strengthens it.
Yeah.